Let me show you how to install the connection module. It consists of 10 pieces, 10-pair connection modules. First, use the insertion tool to connect the wires with the module, and cut the extra wires. By the way, the block is suitable for xDSL circuit. Next, confirm that the wires are firmly connected and adjust them. Moreover, a 10 pairs of voltage protection magazine TP15021OP3G can be inserted into the block. Then put the cover onto the block. It's finished. Thanks for your time.
The Apple, your partner in growth.